This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build your first zoo in Planet Zoo. To begin, select either franchise or sandbox mode. Franchise allows you to connect with other players and earn conservation credits, while sandbox offers unlimited resources for creative freedom. Choose a flat, open map for easier initial construction. Place your main entrance, then strategically position essential guest facilities like restrooms and an information center. Finally, designate a large, accessible area for your first animal habitat. Next, focus on creating comfortable habitats for your animals. Each species has specific needs, so ensure the habitat is large enough, often requiring at least 1,000 square meters for larger animals. Include a variety of enrichment items, like climbing structures or toys, to keep them stimulated. Don't forget food and water stations. Regularly check the Animal Welfare tab to monitor their happiness, health, and social needs, making adjustments to terrain or foliage as necessary. Now let's consider your guests. They need amenities too. Place restrooms, food and drink stalls, and information booths conveniently along well-defined pathways. Ensure clear viewing areas for every habitat, perhaps using one-way glass for shy species. Hire a diverse staff, including caretakers to clean, mechanics to repair, and educators to inform. A well-managed staff ensures smooth operations and happy visitors, contributing significantly to your zoo's overall success and reputation. Finally, maintaining a healthy economy is crucial for long-term success. Generate income through ticket sales, gift shop purchases, and donation bins placed strategically. Invest in research to unlock new animals, habitat items, and guest facilities, which will attract more visitors. Always keep an eye on your budget, ensuring expenses don't outweigh profits. Plan for future expansion by leaving open areas, allowing your zoo to grow and evolve into a thriving wildlife sanctuary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.